Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp connecting problem or connecting issues in WhatsApp application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in WhatsApp application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search WhatsApp application. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Open your WhatsApp application. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp connecting problem or WhatsApp connecting issues in WhatsApp. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.